question says f be a real valued function defined on R minus of -1 to 1 and given by f of x to be equal to 3 ln of x modulus of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus 2 into 2 upon x minus 1. Then which of the following intervals f of x is increasing? So for f of x to be increasing, we need f dash x to be greater than or equal to 0. So finding f dash x, we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x. Now the f of x comes out to be x plus 1 upon x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 the whole divided by x plus 1 whole square into 3 plus the other part of other differentiation 2 upon x minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 6 upon x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now what we are left with is f dash x to be equal to 4 into 2x minus 1 the whole divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Now f dash x is greater than or equal to 0 when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to half to infinity, and we have to exclude minus 1 over here since in the domain x of x minus 1 is excluded.